What's up guys, this is Moment from MTRV7. Today I have a video for you in which I'm going to show you what's the difference between the Apple Watch 4 and the Apple Watch 3. Now luckily I was able to get the Apple Watch 4, so I just wanted to show you guys this is the Apple Watch 4. So I have the Apple Watch 4 over here and this is my Apple Watch 3. So we're going to do an unboxing of this Apple Watch 4 and I wanted to see what comes in the box, and I'm quite inquisitive to know that what really is the difference between the Apple Watch 3 and the 4. Personally speaking, I think that there is not much difference, but I did go online and I saw that there are some features like the chip is more faster, so it's got a 64-bit chip now, and some other features. I'll put a link in the description, and also I'm going to put the details on this video. So first of all, let's go and unbox this and check this out. So guys, first of all I wanted to talk to you about the packaging. Obviously it comes with the same white colored packaging and as Apple always makes, and it really looks beautiful. On the rear it tells you the model, which is the Series 4 space gray aluminum case, black sports band 44mm, and the serial number. This is something I'm not sure what this is in the packaging, but yeah. So first of all, let's go and open it up. That's pretty cool. So the packaging is absolutely amazing. So you can see that it's printed with these different types of models they've shown in the packaging. That is the sort of wrapper. The watch is here and the band is in this case. First off, the band is covered with some sort of velvet padding, and I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, it's got this velvet sort of padding, and it comes with the normal leaflets, the charger adapter for the UK, so that's quite handy. You can always fold that in. Let's take out the watch. It gives you a bit of instructions over here to wear the band, and because sometimes it just gets tricky, and you get the medium and the large size, and you get a small size as well, so it comes in 2 different bands. Really nicely packaged, really looks good. So I'll be using the medium to large band. This is the difference between the 44mm and the old 42mm. It doesn't look that there's much of a difference, but once I go through the features, definitely there will be a lot of difference. Bands look the same size of the bands, but the face is slightly larger, and obviously it's got more space on the screen, so that's one of the features. So guys, this was my quick unboxing for the Apple Watch 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll make another comparison of the Apple Watch 3 and the Apple Watch 4. Do subscribe, like and share, and just stay tuned for my other video as well. Bye for now guys.